Hey, this is MKW Pros 124 with another Lego gumball machine. So first I have a dime, a gumball, a key, another key, and another key. So first I take this key, put it in the hole, and then put it through so it comes in the other hole right there, and you put it in either side. So then I take the gumball and I put it right in here. So then I take this key. Oh yeah, and the gumball comes out there too. No gumball. So then I take a dime, put it right there, and I take this key, and then you just hear the gumball go. And I take this one. Oh yeah, and the gumball didn't come out because they're not finished. And then push that through to make the dime go in, and then pull this out, and then your gumball should come. Here it is. And the gumball rolled back. And if I did not have this right here, this level change of the smooth tiles, there's a higher and then lower. The gumball would go all the way back inside, which is not good. So then I'll put this piece right back on, and then I'll do it one more time because I love doing it. Oh yeah, and getting the dime out, you just take the machine, tip it forward, and then your dime comes out because it was all the way back inside there, and smooth tiles are up in there, and in here, inside here is everything. And so then take the key. I'll put it in this side this time. And then here it comes to the other side. So I'm going to take my gumball, toss it in the hole, and then see, listen. Ready? The gumball did not go through because I don't have a dime. And now you just heard the gumball go. And then take this key. And then the dime just fell through. And then pull this out. Here comes the gumball. Right there. So then, if you can see, the dime is right back there. See, it's really hard to get out. In fact, it's so hard I can't get it out. So I'll take it, and then here it comes. And then here it is. So that's all I have for you in this video. Watch all my other ones. Thanks for watching this one. Rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.